Now, will the Supreme Court judges agree to make their assets public? Following their resistance to do so, the Chief Justice of India, KJ Balakrishnan, may call a meeting with 23 other Supreme Court judges next week to decide on the issue. Sources tell NDTV that the Chief Justice wants to take a consensus decision. So far, the Supreme Court judges declare their assets only in front of the Chief Justice and not public. But now they're under pressure to do so after Central Information Commission asked the Apex Court to disclose their assets under the RTI Act.
Well, go ahead.
Arunachalam Vaidyanathan now joins us from the capital for more on this. Since judges have been reluctant to do so, what makes us think that something might have changed?
Sunitra, there are 2 points. The defense of the judges are: one, they say there is no specific law. As for the MPs, MLAs, legislatures are concerned, there is a specific law which says that they should make it compulsory their assets to the speaker once they are elected. So they say there is no specific law for the judges. Secondly, they say even if leave that alone, they are willing to make their assets in the public domain. They feel that there will be endless queries. How this asset was taken, is it your ancestral property? There will be endless questions. They will be answering all, leaving their judicial job. These are the 2 fears. At the same time, Sunitra, pressure is mounting on them. Probably all the judges now sitting together, probably next week, they may decide and make their assets public because of the public pressure and also the media pressure.
Is that really the expectation, Vaidya, from what you're getting from your sources, that they will actually go ahead and say, all right, fine, we are declaring our assets, it is open now to scrutiny? Is that something that's likely at all?
Exactly, Vishnu. In fact, Chief Justice wants to take a consensus decision. He wants to meet all the other judges of the Supreme Court, sit to them, talk. This is the right time. We have to make it, otherwise public may think otherwise. So he may take a decision next week and even call for a press conference to announce that.
Vaidyanathan, they're reporting from the capital, and from corrupt judiciary to corrupt corporates.
Well, let's move on to some news of the former Satyam chief, Ramalinga Raju, who's confessed to conjuring profit figures. But today, the government prosecutor told the court that he's also faked at least 10,000 salary accounts. The company actually employs 40,000 people, not 53,000. 10,000 employees were non-existent. 3,000 belong to the attrition category. Meanwhile, the public prosecutor has told the court that crores were possibly siphoned off every year and diverted to illegal accounts, and that accounts were fudged, bank statements were forged, and shares were transferred.